Okay, this is the orange base Terra power supply here that I am going to be testing, and I'm testing this because I had a fault on the output, on one of the outputs. I had to repair it. I just wanted to have a record of how to start it up. Okay, so what we have is we're powering it by mains via a variac, so we can control the voltage. And we've got, you can't see it in shot, but there's a dim light bulb in series with that. So if there's any problems, then that light bulb will light up brightly and prevent damage. We'll monitor the input voltage, DC, I should say, the rectified mains voltage on the across the bridge rectifier here, and we'll measure that on the yellow meter. And we'll monitor the output's voltage level of the 6 volt output on this meter on the right. There are other outputs like a 15 supply, a 52 supply, and a high voltage supply. And I have checked the other ones and they're fine, but so it doesn't matter which one you normally do, but just whichever one's convenient. You do need to load on this power supply, so I'm using the plus-minus 50 rails as a load. I have also successfully used the heater supply, which is would be probably about 600 milliamps at 6 volts. So lots of options there. Okay, you can see that the meter is showing 33. That's because I just powered this up a minute ago. So we're going to bring it up, and we should see it start up at around about 250 volts DC on the yellow meter there. And you'll watch the waveform as we hit that. So I'm just going to go slowly as I get to that point. So it's going to be around about now. There we go. So we got at 278 volts DC, it's about 210 volts. We've got a nice 6.7 output, and we can see the waveform there is about 63.5 kilohertz. I think I measured that earlier. So there we go. Now if we bring that voltage right down, take the input off, once the oscillation stops, we'll see the output falls, but the input reservoir capacitor will hold a charge for a good while. Okay.